Mr. Speaker, the American people are hurting. They need our help now. It's time for Congress to step up to the plate and live up to our responsibilities. Let's do what is right for the American people. The American Jobs Act contains bipartisan policies that both Republicans and Democrats have supported in the past. Economics across the nation agree. It will create jobs and give our economy an immediate boost. If we do pass the American Jobs Act, in my home state of California, over 700,000 businesses will receive a payroll tax cut. $3.9 billion in the infrastructure investment will create over 50,000 new jobs, and over 37,000 teachers and first responders will be saved from layoff. This debate is not about political winners and losers. It's about the struggle of everyday Americans. The next election is 14 months. Let's come together and pass this bipartisan agenda.